What we have here is a 2009 Dodge Caravan. It's currently running. It starts strong when it does start, but it seems to have an issue. When you take the key out of the ignition and then try to start it, it doesn't want to start back up. So we're going to turn it off, turn it back on, we're going to turn it off, we're going to turn it back on. Now we're going to take the key out. The key. Now we're going to put the key back in, and it doesn't start. So the only way we found that we can make it start is by playing with the ground. So by loosening up the ground, lifting it up, and then, okay, go ahead. By her intermittently starting it, we can get it to start. If anybody has any thoughts on what this could be, please let us know. Thank you.